And welcome to all one. We are now going to be trading binary option live once again. And if you see this as a recording, probably you are not a subscriber at my channel, or you have not turned the bell notification on, or probably you're also not a member of my Discord group, because we basically trade live there every single day when you're live here also. So make sure you sign up there also. Also, if you're going to follow my live sessions, probably you should use the same broker like me. You find link below the video for this broker. Now, welcome for the ones coming in. I will now start to prepare everything. As always, set up my extra tablet here in the side so I can see the chat, and also set up so we get the Discord up and running. So just bear with me while I do all these things. Okay. So just wait here now. Let's see. Now I'm setting up at the Discord. There. And for some reason something is wrong here. Okay. Let's try again. I will go out, in again. Let's see if we can get this in order. Just bear with me. We have some issues here now. Let's see. Let's disconnect. For some reason I'm not showing the screen properly. Let me just bear with me. What can be the issue here now? For some reason I think okay, we don't need me in the screen. I think we'll be okay like this. We do have sound, everything in order. For some reason I don't get everything correctly here. Now let me see one more time. Yeah, there's something going on there. Now let's turn off this. I'll get back to it. I need to get started. I think we have at least have sound. Now let me see if I can get up the chat in using too much time here now from the start. There are some settings in Discord that is wrong. Okay, we will get started soon. Sorry for the hiccup. Okay, good morning, Craig. Some small hiccups from the start here. And a big welcome back also. Yeah, just some few hiccups from the start, but I will sort it out. In Discord, looks like we only are sharing screen, but do you all hear me well in Discord? Just let me know. For some strange reason, I had some problems there. I need to go through the settings and see if I can figure it out. Let me see here now once again. I can't use too much time on this, but I will see one more. There, let's put none. There. Let's try one last time. There, cool. Then we can stop this one. We got it figured out. Perfect. Okay. Then we can start to be trading. Just see that everything is in order very fast. Cool, cool, cool. Then looks like everything should be nice and good here now. Okay, then we can start. Sorry for the small hiccups in the start. It's Monday morning, so what is the Monday morning without some few problems? Let's just close everything here. Let's see what we can start with trading today. Let's take Control FM just to make sure we get the correct rates. Seems like Binance Coin is 72% today. We will keep it up. Let's see what we will trade today. Let's keep the Solana up. Let's take Ripple. We will take some Ripple there. Cool. It's not an OTC even. Amazing. Okay, then let's bring up some currencies. Let's take this one. Have any of you been trading, by the way? Let me know. For the ones writing in the chat in Discord, I will check it once in a while. I don't have that one open. The only one I have open is the one we have in YouTube. Okay. So if you want to be writing directly, no answer right away, just open YouTube Extra if you are only at Discord. Okay. Otherwise, I will check the chat once in a while. And for the Academy members, as always, I check in like every 10 minutes or so for questions there also. Now my task is to just open a few, so we have the pairs we're going to be trading today. We trade everything about 70% basically. I think we are golden there. Can add this one also. Cool. Oh, really? So it's better I turn. Okay, then we do that. We do that. Just wait. We can fix that. Don't need to have me in the screen. If it's better, let's share like go like this, and let's. We don't not need to have me. We don't need to have a camera in Discord. We can be like this. Is that better? Better like this? We don't need we don't need this camera thing if it's going to be blurry. If this is better, we do this way. I think that's yeah, we do like this. Okay, great. Then we keep. We don't need. I don't need to be in the picture. In basically, I put myself in the picture in YouTube and things. This is for just for show that I'm a real person here, right? That I'm not hiding. So, but yeah, in Discord we don't need that. If anyone want to see my beautiful face, they can go to YouTube. So okay, we keep like this if that's because the plan with Discord is to keep the best quality for people. So if this is best, then we keep like this. Cool. Okay, let's get started and see if we can find some trades. We see something right away here on dollar against Chinese, whatever they call their valuta there. Sorry everyone from China, I don't know what your valuta is called. We take a buy down there easily. Might take a little time, so we're going to keep it like this for now. We're going to do $100 trades. So that's the first markup. Let's go to the next online, that is dollar against Swiss francs. Here we have a beautiful one on the top. Let's do that there. By the way, for Discord members, would you like me? Okay, I do not have time for live sessions for Forex, but would you like me to start to give signals that is easy to follow, you have good time to take for Forex, where I give an entry and I give take profit and stop loss, where I always the take profit is bigger than the stop loss. Is that something you all would be interested about? Then let me know, I will do so. But I only do if someone really are interested and want to take my signals, then let me know, because then I will do so. Because I'm trading, by the way, so don't cost me nothing to do this part. Okay. You can trade that in IQ Sense, of course you can, or in any other Forex broker, because you have a Forex part also here in IQ Sense, so yes, you can do that. Here basically I see nothing for now. Let's see how far are we from this line. A little far right now. So let's, these two are the ones we are following for now. If it was not for this super trend here, I would see this area up here as a nice area. But for that we need basically to, do you know what? He have basically broken the trend, or have he? Let me see if you mark this in a way. This bar might break the trend. Yes, okay, that means we can trade up here. So let's make a horizontal line up there. Let's make this one a red one. This one we will trade. Okay, Craig, then I will look into that. And yeah, I'll do so. I will see if I maybe put up a couple of signals already today. I will figure out a few pairs that we can start to be trading. I will trade on the 1 hour chart for Forex. So then you can follow me here on IQSense or any other broker, because this broker do have opportunity for you to trade Forex. So if you want to do that, let's go for it. We do have a trend going downwards here now. So be aware of that. Every time you can draw a line like this, be aware if you're going to trade, for example, the bottom here, because I am looking for down around this region. Looks interesting. Blue line for now. We need a test before we can actually be trading on it. But for now, this is what we're looking at. Let's check the 2 first. Will it mark up? Nothing there yet, and nothing here yet. Let's check Ripple. Okay, this area up here could be interesting. Up there. If we get up there, I think I'll take a trade right away. We have not been away that far, long time. Let's see. If we can get up to that line, we'll take a trade. We here also need to be aware of a trend. By the way, we see that there are trend going up or something like this, so we are aware of that. Let's bring up our trade here now. We got a very good entry. We are in for 1 minute, so let's see how that will play out. The entry is very good. I got it exactly on the line, so I'm satisfied with that. Now we just need to wait 1 minute and see how this will play out. Now, while we do that, I will check the Academy if you have any questions. No questions in the Academy for now. Let's check Discord. No questions. Okay, cool. And we won that. Super nice trade. See, we basically just was out of the money just for a little bit here. Means a little better entry is adjustable. So if you get up there, we'll take it. So we are now $93 in profit. Sweet. Let's bring up the good old calculator without losing a trade here now. I'm ready to take it if you get up there again. 93. Good start. On Ripple. We are ready to go in. You won also? Sweet. Yeah, I think that trade was good for everyone. We were deep in the money, and yeah, I think everyone that did take that trade should have won it. And you actually had very long time to take the trade also. So that was a nice thing. We are ready again if we get up there. And that entry was not the best. Got a little bit low. Right away when I hit it, shoot down when I did click the button. I have 0 delay on the buttons, that's sweet. But my entry now, I think still will be good. It's just right below the line I got the entry. Let's see. Let's wait our 30 seconds and see. Right now I'm deep in the money. Let's see. Yes, it's going the correct direction. We love that. But of course, still 20 seconds here left. It looks like we're going to win another $93 here now. And even if you have a bad entry like me, looks like we are winning. We have 9 seconds left and we are deep in the money. And wait for it. We won. Anyone that take this trade also, you won because it was deep in the money. So we have an incredible good start today. $186 now, plus $4 in cash back up here. Sweet. Let's continue. I think the place we have put our line is quite beautiful. We know, of course, we need to be aware. We have this trend going upwards, but we still have much space to move on here. So, but over here we need to rethink a little. Okay. Over here we need to rethink because this trend line will start to push us, and we need to be aware of that. This trend line can be what is needed to push us above this resistant red line up here. So just be aware of this trend line. Okay, but for now we will continue taking trade up here. So let's see. Let's remove this. We don't need to look our wins. So you see the space here gets smaller and smaller. We need to be aware. This can be something that can push us above it. So be aware of that. Let's zoom in so you see it better. I think for more 4 minutes, I will be interesting to take a trade on this line. In again there, and okay, once again my entry came a little below the line. Let's see. Let's wait another 50 seconds. This time I got a small delay on my trade. I think I got a delay on 1 second. I did push when we were above the line. So, but there now looks like we probably did break it. That will be our first loss of the day then. Let's hope this was a fake out. Okay, maybe it's a fake out, and too early to say. I don't like what he's doing. Yeah. Can we be lucky and win this now? I don't know. My entries are bad at least, so I don't have some big... Oh! But I don't trade it more. I'm done. Stop. Don't trade more on this. I did not like the bar. We got lucky there, I will say. My entry was a little bad, was a little below the line, was deep in the money, by the way, to close it here. But still, I don't like when you see a breakup like this. So let's stop there while you're still winning. We did good. You won also? Perfect. 3 wins. Let's stop here while we are ahead. And when we see a breakout like this, a much higher bar, I don't find it so interesting to trade more. But we can't complain. We got in 3 beautiful trades on it, so that's good. Anyone else that did trade, let me know. I always are interested to know when the win rates for people. And always jump over to Discord and follow me there. We are just 3 people at the Discord today. You can ask me a question in Discord today. I will check in once in a while, the same as I do in the academy. I will check in once in a time there. Let me see. Someone in the academy talk about nice music in the background. Sorry to say, then the music is on your end. I don't have any music in the background. Okay, so sorry for that. Yeah, if you are on another broker, they're radical. It would not be if you take and follow the trades here, you need to use IQ Sense. If I trade on that broker, then you can follow. I do trade on that broker on a second live session. So any trade I take here, you can't take on another broker because every broker is a little different. So winning trade here can be a losing trade on another broker. So just be aware of that. So if you want to follow my trades you see here, you will need to use the same broker like me. Now we are not interested in taking a trade up here right now for two reasons. For reason number one, we start to have a smaller area you see here now between the trend line and this resistance line up here. Plus we did not like this space, this line, this breakup here. He almost break to go upwards. So I'm a little worrisome, so we need to wait at least this trend line is done. So you can see yourself, we need to break out of this line first, then we will be interested to trade again on this pair. So let's leave Ripple for now. Let's check out the two pairs we started with. Today there are a little issue because there will be a cleaning lady here cleaning today, and she will make some noise and things. I don't like to be trading live when I have a lot of noisy things around me. So I am on the fence. If I see there are not so much noise, maybe I can do. Let's see, and that's the only thing that is blocking the live session for today. I don't have any other plans. So if I do, it will be on the correct time. But last time I did a executive live session, I did 1 hour earlier and was almost no one joining me on that live session. So I understand that I need to keep to the correct time. So I will not promise a second live session today, okay? Let's say like that. If it will be, I will set it to the correct time this time, okay? And I will tell in the Discord if it will be or not. So make sure you are part of Discord if you're looking, because that's the place I always give the information. Now, we do have an area up here. Not considering this area here, up here looks nice. Let's mark it and see if that can be something. That's an area. Yes, we have here also. That was a support area here. But let's take the stronger one up here. No, I don't do that. The reason for that radical is because I'm live in Academy, and the Academy they are using this broker. So I will keep it only to IQ cents because they prefer IQ cents. Okay. So for the live session we do from morning, like this one, it will always be IQ cents as long as I work for that Academy, and I have no plans not to be working for that Academy. So that's something I'm planning to do forever, basically. So there will always be IQ cents from the start of the day, okay? So the second will always be on another broker, but the one that will always be every single day, that is for this broker. Cool, Greg. Yeah, I will do my best going forward to be better to do a second live session. I understand many people have interest about that, so I will do my best so we can get in some second sessions. Now this area down here start to look more and more interesting. Let's take a look. We start to have so many tests here down here now that I feel more and more comfortable about it. And plus we see we have a trend here, so we have a trend pushing us up also. I can mark that also. Let's see, we have a trend line going up like this, so we have a trend line and this at the same time. So I think quite comfortably. I'll take a buy trade now on this green line. If you get down there, this is for dollar against Swiss francs. Now, when that is said, also we see a trend here. I'll always keep my eyes on every trend I can see. See? So, but still, I think the one in bottom will be stronger. Oh, I did take a trade on the trend line here now. Let's see how that will play out. I was planning to take on the green line here, but as he did break so hard down, I was slow on the trigger, and that gave me the opportunity to get on the trend line. I feel very comfortable about this trade, that this will be a winner. Let's see. This is a deep in the money trade for now, very deep. So looks like we're going to get our fourth trade in as a winner. Did anyone take this trade, by the way? Let me know. And did you get it below the line or on the line? Because even though if you got on the line, looks like you might win. Let's see now. You won, by the way. Deep in the money for everyone. So this should also be a win for everyone. Did you take it? Perfect. Then all won here also. Because like I said in Friday, I wanted to start to be... By the way, I'm not trading online here now. Let's remove it. I wanted to try to figure out a way so we all make money on this session. Until now, looks like every trade we have taken till now have been winners. That is pretty amazing. So we have taken 3 trades with 93, 93 plus 93 plus 93 plus 78. We are already $357 in profit today. That is pretty darn nice. No, super account, what I call in pocket option, you don't get on IQ Sense. I don't have this option to give away my affiliate income. My affiliate income is basically set up the same on IQ Sense like in pocket option that I get for every single trade you do, but I'm not able to share it like I do on pocket option. So sorry for that. No super account on IQ Sense. So that is basically just for pocket option. But if I had that option, I would have shared my affiliate income with you all also. Of course I would. But this option I do not have on IQ Sense. Because like I always say, my biggest target is that everyone that follow me in my live sessions are making as much money they can. So that is something that would have helped you all to give a little more. But of course I understand that my trading on IQ Sense is actually a little better than it is on pocket option. So yet again, I think the quality of the trades we do give you all profit as long as we take our time and you follow every session I do. You should be a profitable trader just by following my sessions. Now let's see here now. We do have a trend going upwards. Looks like he broke it right now. With that, the interest area probably can be down here. Let's see. I'm thinking down here could be interesting. So let's see if we can get a pin of that blue line. That could be an area. That is very difficult to explain for you, Radical, because that is about the amount they're trading. It's very little basically make. I think it's like 4% of the volume, something like that. So it's very little you make each trade. So it's basically how much you're trading, and like if you, for example, you trade with, let's say, $1,000 and you lose the money right away, basically I make nothing. Okay, so in that way, for this broker and other brokers that I'm using, uh, I don't make if you win or lose. That is not different for me. But obviously, if you are doing bad, you will not take many trades, then I make nothing on you. So that's why, for me, it's better that all of you do super good, because more trades you do, more I'm making. Because I make for a small percent, like I said, I think it's 2 or 4%. I make on every single trade you do, okay? So basically I make on the volume. So more trades you do, more money I'm making. And in that case, for the other broker, more money are you getting in cashback, because cashback is paid out every time I'm getting paid. I have not got paid there yet, but I'm going to be paid there today. So then everyone is getting paid today also. So it works like that. Okay, makes sense? So the same is for here on this broker. I basically am making money for every single trade you do. So if you, for example, have $1,000 in your account, you throw in $1,000 into tails head and draw up and you lose the trade, basically I make almost nothing on you. So for me, it's better. The more trades you do in, better I'm doing also. That means more trades you do, probably you're profitable. Like I guess Craig, for example, he's starting to do very good. And then that's good for me also, because then I also make some money on him. So that's why, two reasons. When I started on YouTube, I started to make robots. I thought that would be the easy way for people to make money. What I did figure out when I started to make robots is that the robots in themselves, because they use indicators, and I have said that before, indicators do not work. I could set up the robots to trade perfectly after any YouTuber to show an indicator, like the 2-minute strategy for MACD and all this. Don't work. I did set up the robot to do exactly that way of trading. Did not work. It's losing money all over. Actually, the win rate was more or less 50%, and you don't make money with 50% winning. Okay, so that was something. So what I needed to do, I needed to go into the chart. What I did myself with the robot, I did find the trend. I did do much things, and I find directional trade, and then I start the robot go in that direction. But what I figure out that is not fair for the people using the robot, because basically I did almost manual trading for the robot. So what's the reason to have a robot if you need to put in the direction of the trade? So because then you get a little advantage, you go to the higher time frame and you find the direction. For example, like here, if you just go for buy trades here, you're doing quite good. But then you will lose when you come in the end of the trend. But maybe you get in a 2-3 trades and you get a win rate maybe around 60% with a robot. I think that was around what I had. It was not fair because I did put up direction, and yeah, and for somehow was not able to do that automatically with the robot. You could use indicators to find direction of things, but never got the direction as good as when I do it manually. So yeah, and good morning Eternal, nice to see you. We have a very good start today. You lost good opportunities. Everyone have made money today. We did 4 trades, all deep in the money, so every trade we did today was golden. Now looks like this area down here looks quite sweet now. I think I will go in with a buy trade here now. Let's see, let's zoom in. If we get down there again, I will take it. Let's see, this will be the trade number 5 today. We have 4 trades now, 4 winners, all deep in the money. Let's see. IQSense, actually they have a crazy bonus. You get 200% actually on your first deposit only. It's only on the first. If you want to make deposit After the first, let me know and I will talk with my account manager if I can give out some bonus for people to take the second. Then let me know if you have deposits from before and you think about to do again. But then I need to talk to my account manager if I can have a bonus for you there, so you can get in some extra on the second also. Okay. But yes, on the first is 200. You find it pinned in the chat. There you find this bonus code, this promo code. Now let's see. Oh, yeah. Not a good entry. Not a good entry. But that's it. I think my entries are wrong. Actually, it's a good entry after these spikes here, but not good after this one. But we are currently deep in the money, so let's see. I prefer we are deep in the money because then I know everyone make money. Let's see. We still have 30 seconds left. Come on now, go up. If you could win this one, that will be an amazing start of the Monday. We still have 20 seconds left. For now, we are in the money. Come on now. Oh, I don't like this bar I'm seeing. Still 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we got it. Did everyone win this trade? Let me know. If so, we all are printing money today. Let me know. Craig, did you take the trade? Eternal, did you take the trade? I know you two are trading. It's very important for me to get yes. Everyone is making money today. No, there are, from what I know, there are no mocks. So go in with whatever you want and you will get 200%. All make money today. I am super happy. I'm super stoked. This is the way we should be. Let's continue. I will continue taking trades on this line. 5-0. That is a super good start of the week. That's how we should be every single day. Let's continue. Yes, I'm ready again. I take a trade. Wow, be careful. We close below. If you did not take a trade, don't take it now. This is risky. He closed it below. Yes, we are deep in the money right now, but for some reason I don't think I'll win this trade. I think he will go up now and he will go down again. I really feel bad about this trade. The entry is super good, but I don't think I'll win it. This will be the first lose of the day. I just know it. I should even have put a down trade up here. I think he will go downwards. But that's it. For now, looks like we are winning, but I don't have a good feeling about it. I really don't. Let's see. Okay. That, by the way, I will. So no one needs to take a trade here now. I'll make it blue. Let's see now where he closed. But hey, we won, and everyone won that trade also. Actually, everyone won that trade. Do you have 6-0 now, Craig? We are not trading more on this one, by the way. We are down here now. But let me just know if everyone won here now. That would be nice. Okay, but if you had taken a trade here, you would have won. So that is my point today, when I'm trading today, is that I try to get entries so we all are winning every single trade. Because he closed it up here and the entry was here, so that's good. But yes, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Pretty amazing. Let me just do my calculation. I am now at $513 in profit. pretty darn sweet. We can't complain about this. Will you trade more here? No. No, we move on. Today we are only keeping to the best of the best. I do like this region down here. I'm thinking down here. Let's put it on the spike on this one there. I do, let me see, it was nice in the past also. Let's turn this one into a green. Looks like the counter to the left here is not counting. I've seen that some few times, that it's not always counting. I don't know why. But as long as we receive our cash back and we're making money, I don't care. Now let's see. By the way, anyone that starts with this broker, you make sure that you have a demo account. It's always good to start with demo account first. And then if you want to be a very smart idea of you also, is that if you follow my live sessions and you're planning to trade a little by yourself, you can have up to 5 accounts here, I have been told. So that means just put one account maybe for the live sessions where you follow my trades, and then put up one, just put some money into a second account where you're trading yourself. So then you can see if you manage to make money by yourself, and then you can compare it with my live sessions. But always is good that you try to divide that too, so you have so you can see if you manage to be profitable by yourself also. I am going to be here trading every single day for life. I'm not planning to stop with this anytime soon. So you can always be comfortable knowing that you can trade together with me. But always it's good that you manage to learn how to trade by yourself also. So you can mark up things. So you, for example, here you see that you have a trend going downwards. For that reason, I'm not trading down here now, because we see it's too close to the trend. But that you learn your eyes to see these type of things. You see the trend line. You know when you have a trend line going downwards and you start to have a small space here, you know that it's not a good idea to trade on the line down here. So it's small details like this that is choosing if I'm trading on a support line down here or in the other way around in a resistant line, okay? But yes, if you want to do that, make sure, and if there are any other YouTubers or whoever, or people sending signals in Telegram or whatever, if you want to measure their success or losses, it's always good to do that on a separate account, okay? So you can fill up different accounts there. It's very smart. So that's the thing, one thing I really like with this broker, that you can have many different type of accounts, so you can follow the success on different places. And then hopefully I can continue like I do today, and I have done in the past also. So I see the account you use with me, that always will grow more, okay? So today, for example, every trade I have taken today should have been a win for everyone. So that's something I'm happy with. Let's continue. So here, for example, we see that we have a strong trend upwards. I do not like trends that much. So when we see something trending, like I would never, for example, even not even consider taking out a line up here. I can show you. Here, for example, we could see that, okay, maybe this is an area, but you see now here will come a squeeze. And in this type, most of the time he will squeeze down, okay? But here will come a squeeze very soon now. He will need to choose, will he break up or will it break down? But you also see that this trend is pretty strong. So I will give it a 50-50 in this case, for him to go up or to go down from this squeeze. You can easily go in with $1,000 and you will get 200% on 2,000. Yes, you're correct. There are, from what I don't, there are no mucks. I have seen people go in with much more than 1,000 and get 200%. So now let's see. Looks like now he broke this trend line. But I will not consider this a break, because it's depending on where this bar closes, okay? if this part close now, for example, this looks like a break for me. So that means this trend line is done, but that makes this area up here much stronger, okay? But it's only 2 tests, but yes, this area, then if you get one more test, we will activate the one up here, okay? Now let's continue. Here I basically see nothing. Ripple, we did very good with Ripple in the start. Now, basically I see nothing here either. How long time do we have left of this live session? Okay, we've been trading 50 minutes. But we have been very good today. We have gotten a lot of good trades. So that's good. Let's check Solana. We have not even come so far to check this too. Binance going to 70%. I don't even think I want to do that. That is too low. Here, I don't like this either. Typically you could put a line here, right? But here I will show you the reason. You see a small trend, you see? Small trend upwards. Why would I then take a trade up here when we see that he always go a little higher? So once again, every time you're able to draw a line like this, be careful. Let's check Binance Coin just for fun. Binance Coin have always been my favorite. And but 70%, I think that is too low. Today it is too low. When you see we have so many above it, why would we trade this? So 70%, misunderstand me correctly, we make money with 70% with the current win rate we have, but it's less profitable, we can say, because we have, I will say my win rate is around 7-8 wins for each 10 trades in average. Some days can be less, some days can be more. So you see for today, for example, we have 100% win rate. That is not, you can't expect that. I will never come and tell you that you will follow my trades and you will have a win rate like this. What you can expect from following me, from, like I said, sometimes you can have 50% in my live session, and sometimes you can have like this, and sometimes you're spot on around 7-8 wins for each 10 trades. On average, if you follow me for 1 year, that is what you should expect, around 7 and 8 wins. That is what I have at least. I will not promise what I'm going to do in the future, so don't take me on that. I will never promise you nothing, but this is what I have done now for 1 year and 7 months. That is the win rate I have for now, okay? So just be aware of that. I will never promise you that you will print money, even if my title will say so, because that is basically what I have done in that live session, okay? But yeah, just to get that out of the way. Past success can't show you a future success, we can say like that, but give you an idea what you can expect at least, okay? That is for me to protect myself if I suddenly would start to lose every trade in the future. We never know, we never know. Hopefully we'll not, but we'll see. That's why also I do not turn on, you can't use copy trading on me. I will not, I have turned off that on every place I'm trading. Much of the reason for that is I know if I turn on, of course I would make more money as affiliate. Yes, I would, because then every single trade I do, I know everyone have taken it, okay? But I'm not after that. I like this idea of building up a big community that is following. I can't say I have a big community today, as in YouTube I have 2 people live, so that is not that fun. But my hope is that in the future that I can have like 100 people following me. That's why I'm moving people over to Discord, because I know the crew there is more stable. So my hope in the future is that I can have like 100 people live trading together with me. That is what I really want. But that's why I don't turn on any live copy trading, because then why should people wake up early in the morning and trade together with me if they basically can be lazy and sleep and make money or lose money? If I lose, you will lose also, right? But the thing is, that is something I will never do, at least not now. I will not have any copy trading automatically. If you want to copy me, you need to trade together with me. That is how it's going to be, okay? If you put in 2000, you would get 4000 in bonus. That means you would have 6000, okay? So just if you put 1000, then you plus 200%, you will have a 3000 account, okay? So if you put $1,000, you will have a 3000 account. If you put 2000, you will have a 6000 account. Radical. Yes, and the nice thing in Discord, in YouTube you can't help me that much, but in Discord all of you can help me. So, for example, when I have a live session now, you have a button that says invite. So just use that button and invite your friends. Because more people we can get into my live sessions like this, more fun it is for me to do this. Okay, so help me out a little there. I would really appreciate it. I see now we are just 2 people in Discord also. That is very low. But like I say, you have an invite button there. So if you can take your time and invite some people, that is something that makes it more fun for me to do these live sessions. Because I really do my best so everyone is making money. So if you have any friends or something that have interest about these type of things, they are free to join, and I will be super happy to have them in the community together with us. Now, when that is said, we are almost done with this live session. We have been trading now for 57 minutes. If I can find a trade I can take right away, let's go for it. I will now skim over every pair here now. This can go. Let's see if we have something we can take right away. Like the line down here looks to be very interesting. If we can get down there, we'll take it. Radical, you are in Discord also, because sometimes people have different nicknames in Discord. If not, you should make sure you're there also, because there it's true live. Here in YouTube it's not true live, it's like 8 seconds delay, but in Discord we have 0 delay, so it's easier to follow me in Discord than here on YouTube. So make sure you join us on Discord. Hey, no, I was too late to take a trade here. I was explaining too much. But yes, that was a beautiful test of the line. I think I will not take any more trades. And you could have, I hope you did take this trade. I did not. I am done now. But yes, let's see. We have now been trading for 58 minutes. I'm satisfied with the day today. The win rate is just amazing. We did today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades and 6 winners. Can't be not. Yeah, I really want to know if you won the trade. Before I stop here now, Craig, did you win? I think maybe not. If you won, you're lucky, to be quite frankly. Sorry for that. Okay, but then you have 5-1. I think that is good session, by the way. Because like I said, my interest is that everyone is making money together with me. Sorry for that, Eternal. We will trade the same time tomorrow, Eternal. Will be the same time. It's 0730 GMT -3 we trade. So just make sure you join in, and we will see if, I will not promise you will make money, but I do take the best entries. I take my time to put up all the lines, so all are deep in the money. That is my target for every session I do. So yeah, okay, then we are done for today. I will maybe, just maybe, depending on the sound level around in this place, I will see if I do a second live session today. So let's see, that one will be in 4 hours if I do it, and I will tell in Discord later on if I go for it or not. I'll tell like maybe 1 hour before if we're going for the second live session or not, okay? Other than that, I hope you did enjoy, and if you did join me today, you made a lot of money, so I'm happy for that. And I see you all tomorrow. That's a guarantee. So with that, have an amazing day, and and yes, if you do some trading by yourself, let me know. And also, I will make a recap video soon now. So if you could comment on that video, that would be nice, because more people will get on the recap videos, more key people will get also into a live later. So that, have an amazing day.